Welcome to our journey into creative problem solving. In today's fast-paced world, challenges come in all shapes and sizes, and finding innovative solutions is more important than ever. Creative problem solving isn't just about thinking outside the box, it's about redefining the box entirely. Throughout this video, we'll explore the key principles, techniques, and real-world examples that can help you tackle problems with a fresh perspective. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, these strategies will empower you to approach obstacles with confidence and creativity. Let's dive in and unlock your problem-solving potential together. Creative problem solving is a structured approach to finding unique and effective solutions to challenges. Unlike traditional problem solving, which often relies on established methods, creative problem solving encourages you to look at issues from new angles. This process values imagination, flexibility, and the willingness to experiment. By combining analytical thinking with creativity, you can generate ideas that might not be immediately obvious. In the following scenes, we'll break down the steps and techniques that make creative problem solving so powerful and accessible for everyone. Creativity is at the heart of effective problem solving. It allows us to see possibilities where others see obstacles. In business, education, and everyday life, creative thinkers are often the ones who drive progress and innovation. By nurturing your creativity, you open yourself up to new ideas and approaches. This not only helps you solve problems more efficiently, but also makes the process more enjoyable and rewarding. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to cultivate a creative mindset and why it's essential for overcoming challenges. Developing a creative mindset starts with curiosity and openness. Ask questions, challenge assumptions, and be willing to explore new perspectives. Surround yourself with diverse ideas and experiences, as these can spark inspiration. Remember, creativity isn't a talent, it's a skill that can be developed with practice. Try engaging in activities that stimulate your imagination, such as reading, drawing, or brainstorming with others. By making creativity a habit, you'll find it easier to generate innovative solutions when faced with difficult problems. First step in creative problem solving is to clearly define the problem. Take time to understand the issue from all angles. Ask yourself, what exactly is the challenge? Who is affected? What are the underlying causes? By gathering information and clarifying the problem, you set a strong foundation for finding effective solutions. Don't rush this stage. Sometimes reframing the problem can reveal new opportunities for creativity. In the next scene, we'll look at techniques for analyzing and understanding problems deeply. Once you've defined the problem, it's time to analyze it thoroughly. Break the issue down into smaller parts and examine each component. Look for patterns, connections, and potential obstacles. Tools like mind mapping or the 5 whys technique can help uncover hidden factors. By understanding the problem's structure, you can identify areas where creative solutions are most needed. This analytical approach ensures that your efforts are focused and effective, setting the stage for the next step, generating ideas. With a clear understanding of the problem, it's time to brainstorm solutions. Encourage free thinking and avoid judging ideas too early. The goal is to generate as many options as possible, no matter how unconventional they may seem. Techniques like brainstorming sessions, mind mapping, or even role-playing can help spark creativity. Remember, quantity leads to quality. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected places. In the following scenes, we'll explore specific brainstorming methods you can use. Brainstorming is a powerful tool for creative problem solving. Gather a group or work alone and set a timer for focused idea generation. Write down every idea that comes to mind, no matter how wild. Later, you can sort and evaluate them. Try techniques like SCAMPER, substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, reverse to push your thinking further. The key is to create a safe space where all ideas are welcome, fostering innovation and collaboration. After generating a list of ideas, it's time to evaluate them. Consider the feasibility, impact, and potential risks of each option. Use criteria like cost, time, resources, and alignment with your goals. Discuss the pros and cons with your team or reflect individually. Sometimes combining elements from different ideas leads to the best solution. This stage is about narrowing down your options to the most promising and practical ones. Decision-making is a crucial part of creative problem solving. Once you've evaluated your options, choose the solution that best fits your needs and resources. Trust your analysis, but also listen to your intuition. Sometimes the most creative solutions require a leap of faith. Involve stakeholders in the decision process to ensure buy-in and support. Remember, no solution is perfect. Be prepared to adapt as you move forward. With the decision made, it's time to put your solution into action. Develop a clear plan, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Communication is key. Make sure everyone involved understands their role. Monitor progress and be flexible if adjustments are needed. Implementation is where creative ideas become reality, so stay motivated and focused. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to handle challenges during this stage. Even the best solutions can face obstacles during implementation. Stay proactive by anticipating potential issues and preparing backup plans. Encourage open communication within your team to address problems quickly. Remember, flexibility is essential. Sometimes you may need to adjust your approach based on new information. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep morale high and maintain momentum. After implementing your solution, take time to review the results. Did the solution address the problem effectively? What worked well and what could be improved? Reflection is a vital part of the creative problem-solving process. It helps you learn from experience and refine your approach for future challenges. Gather feedback from all stakeholders and document your findings for future reference. Teamwork plays a significant role in creative problem-solving. Diverse teams bring different perspectives, skills, and experiences to the table, which can lead to more innovative solutions. Encourage open dialogue and respect for all ideas. Collaboration not only enhances creativity but also builds trust and strengthens relationships within the group. In the next scene, we'll look at ways to foster a collaborative environment. Foster collaboration, create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts. Use tools like brainstorming sessions, group discussions, and collaborative software to facilitate communication. Set clear goals and roles to keep the team focused. Recognize and celebrate contributions from all members, as this boosts morale and encourages continued participation. Effective collaboration leads to better problem solving and more creative outcomes. Diversity in teams brings a wealth of perspectives, which is invaluable for creative problem solving. People from different backgrounds can offer unique insights and challenge assumptions. This diversity of thought leads to more robust and innovative solutions. Encourage inclusivity and actively seek input from all team members. By valuing different viewpoints, you create a richer pool of ideas to draw from. The business world, creative problem solving is a key driver of success. Companies that encourage innovation are better equipped to adapt to change and stay competitive. From product development to customer service, creative solutions can lead to improved efficiency, higher satisfaction, and increased profits. Businesses can foster creativity by supporting experimentation, rewarding new ideas, and providing resources for professional development. Education is another field where creative problem solving is essential. Teachers and students alike benefit from approaches that encourage critical thinking and innovation. By integrating creative problem solving into the curriculum, educators can help students develop skills that are valuable for life and work. Activities like group projects, open-ended questions, and real-world challenges stimulate curiosity and foster a love of learning. Creative problem solving isn't just for work or school, it's a valuable skill for everyday life. Whether you're planning a trip, organizing your home, or resolving a conflict, thinking creatively can help you find better solutions. Practice looking at challenges from different angles and don't be afraid to try new approaches. Over time, you'll become more confident in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. Despite its importance, creativity can be hindered by certain barriers. Fear of failure, rigid thinking, and lack of resources are common obstacles. Recognizing these barriers is the first step to overcoming them. Encourage a growth mindset where mistakes are seen as opportunities to learn. Provide time and space for creative thinking and support risk-taking in a safe environment. Removing barriers allows creativity to flourish. Mental blocks can stall the creative process. If you find yourself stuck, try changing your environment, taking a break, or seeking inspiration from others. Sometimes, stepping away from the problem allows your mind to make new connections. Techniques like meditation, exercise, or even a walk outside can help refresh your thinking. Remember, persistence is key. Keep experimenting until you find a breakthrough. Technology can be a powerful ally in creative problem solving. From online collaboration tools to data analysis software, technology expands our ability to generate and test ideas. Use apps for brainstorming, project management, and communication to streamline the process. Stay updated on new tools and trends that can enhance your creative efforts. However, remember that technology is a tool. It's your creativity that drives innovation. Leaders who embrace creative problem solving inspire their teams to think differently and take initiative. By modeling curiosity and openness, leaders set the tone for a culture of innovation. Encourage your team to share ideas, experiment, and learn from mistakes. Recognize and reward creative efforts to motivate continued growth. Leadership isn't just about making decisions, it's about empowering others to solve problems creatively. Let's look at a real-world example of creative problem solving. Imagine a company facing declining sales. Instead of cutting costs, the team brainstorms new product ideas, explores untapped markets, and leverages technology to improve customer experience. By embracing creativity, they not only solve the immediate problem but also position the company for long-term success. This case shows the power of innovative thinking in overcoming challenges. Science thrives on creative problem solving. Many breakthroughs have come from questioning assumptions and experimenting with new ideas. Scientists use creative thinking to design experiments, interpret data, and develop theories. The willingness to take risks and learn from failure is essential. By applying creative problem solving, scientists push the boundaries of knowledge and drive progress in their fields. Artists are natural creative problem solvers. Whether it's finding new ways to express ideas or overcoming technical challenges, creativity is at the core of artistic work. Artists experiment with materials, techniques, and concepts to bring their visions to life. This process often involves trial and error, reflection, and adaptation. By embracing uncertainty, artists discover unique solutions and inspire others to think creatively. Persistence is a key ingredient in creative problem solving. Not every idea will work, and setbacks are part of the process. The most successful problem solvers are those who keep trying, learning, and adapting. View challenges as opportunities to grow and improve. With persistence, even the toughest problems can be overcome and your creative skills will continue to develop. Creative problem solving is an ongoing journey. Continuously seek ways to improve your process and expand your skills. Stay curious, learn from others, and be open to feedback. The more you practice, the more natural creative thinking becomes. Remember, every problem is an opportunity to innovate and grow. Keep refining your approach and celebrate your progress along the way. As the world changes, creative problem solving will become even more valuable. New challenges require innovative solutions, and those who can think creatively will lead the way. Invest in developing your creative skills and encourage others to do the same. By fostering a culture of innovation, we can tackle the problems of tomorrow with confidence and creativity. Summary: creative problem solving is a powerful skill that can transform the way you approach challenges. By defining problems clearly, generating ideas, evaluating solutions, and implementing them effectively, you can achieve better outcomes in all areas of life. Remember to nurture your creativity, collaborate with others, and stay persistent. With these tools, you'll be ready to tackle any problem with confidence and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep solving creatively.